Yuck. Oh, I don't know where to go. Ah, please. What? All right, we're back. We are back. Ho 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 ho. Cycle 33. Ooh, I got a mask. All right, I think my goal is to get back to that place. Oh, I'm so dumb. I'm so dumb. Where is it anyway? Oh, it's so far away. Oh my. Oh, it's so far away. Look at this. What did I do? Right, I want to get back to there, so. Oh, I explored everywhere. Like, I explored all of this up here. I explored all of this up here. There was nothing here. I explored, like, most of the stuff down here. I don't want to go down there. Uh, And I literally found a new place, but I was like, no, no. I decided I'm just gonna walk all the way back. Yeah, so my goal today is just to get back to that place and figure out why I can't like go through, like get to the next area. I don't get it. How do I get there? I think I gotta cross all that. Just move to the left. That's all I need to do. Jump. I was telling me to go down. Yeah. Oh, okay, nice. Yuck. What are you doing? Yeah, I know you don't like me. I know you don't like me. I know you don't like me. I know you don't. Hey! Hey! Okay. Jesus. Disgusting. I hate you! Stop, 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 stop. I hate you so much. No, I need food. I need food. I need a bug. I need a bug. I want to. Fine, whatever. How close are we? How close are we to that, like, thing? My guess is I'm not meant to die. I like have some sort of thing where like it will unlock if I like survive a certain amount of times. I'm not sure. Can I jump onto that blue thing? Wait, can I? Wait, maybe I can. No, I can't. I don't think I can. Maybe I can. Hold on. Ah! Nope. I don't want the mask anymore. I think the mask is stupid. Please, please. No. I'm just going for it. I'm just going for it. I'm just going for it. You suck. Okay, now we're here. No, no, no. Jump, jump, jump it, jump it. Stop it. Twist it. Get off me. Alright, I'm finally back to where I'm meant to be. Okay, let's save. Let's save. Woo! This is good. This is good. Okay, so the first time I came here, I wasn't able to get past for some reason. Let's see if I can get past now. I can! Ooh! Alright, that's nice. So yeah, okay, so this is where I'm meant to go. I kind of struggled with this one because I kept dying. I have a fireweed in my belly or something. I'm not sure what it does though. What is it meant to do? Is it meant... Am I not meant to eat it? Is it something that I'm meant to feed like a certain creature? Okay, the underwater section. I like it. It's so hard to swim. Why is it so hard to swim? Oh shoot. Oh shoot! Please! Oh thank god, I thought I was gonna die. I'm going for it. I'm going for it. I'm going for it. I'm going. No, I'm not going for it. I'm going up. I'm going up. I'm going up. Oh, I'm fine. 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 What happened? I don't know what happened, but something happened. Something happened. I don't know what happened. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. What is popping? What is popping? Please tell me I can go through. Oh, I can still go through. Alright. This is good. How do I throw the mask away? I can't throw it. Oh man, am I actually stuck with the mask? Alright, this first part is fine. Wait, what? Wait, what? Alright, I'm leaving the mask here. Damn, I can't do it. I can't. It's flashing red. Oh, is the symbol not right? Oh, I get it. So I need the symbol to be correct. Ah, and then I get to the symbol and then I can unlock the door. I get it. Right. This one? Yeah, this one. Breathe. Breathe. There's a spear down there. Wait, hold on. I'm going to throw the spear at the leeches and then pray one of them dies. I need to move without getting leeches to like latch onto me. Oh my god. And they're on me already. Well, I'm stuck. Just go for it. I need to go up. 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 I need to go down. I need to go down. I need to go. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Like, holy, it's so annoying. There's so many here too. Oh, I went backwards. Alright, now I have to find food. Damn it. Where's the food, buddy? Where's the food? Get off me. I think there's food up here, right? I've been here before. Is there food up here? I can't remember. Yes, there is. Holy, yes, there is. Wait, I'm a chieftain, right? Does that like achievement like stay even if I die? Alright, let's see. I am so confused as to what the weed does. Like is it? Am I meant to tame animals with it? Is that what it's for? Taming animals? Right. Now we're back. Where's my chieftain achievement? That thing, the saint, the monk. I don't. What does that mean? Are there multiple like gates in worlds? Like, can I go to like another world on this map, or is this the only one? Is this the only like a gate on the map? Surely not, right? Or maybe it is. Just go for it. Just go for it. Just go for it. Just go for it. Please go for it. Please go for it. Thank you. What? Oh! Whatever that popping plant is really annoying. I think it stuns me and then I die because I drown. It's just annoying. Help me! Thank you. Hey, can I eat the leeches? Wait, I think if I keep doing it, it's gonna, yeah, because like the plant underneath is like dead. So this is probably like my last time I can do this. I'm gonna have to go somewhere else to find food. God damn it. I mean, I could go there. It was just annoying because I have to travel through all of that. Okay, let's go. Yeah, it's these things. So they like pop and then they stun me. And then I drown because I'm stunned. How many times do I gotta do this? What's with the music now? How many cycles am I gonna get through? Let's just move quick. Let's just move quick. Man, the swimming is so like weird. Oh, there are so many. There are five? Really? Stick? God, that's not very nice. And there's like these weird popping things. I can't see where they are. Where are they? Oh, that was my chance right there. Alright, go now, go now, go now. I saw my chance. I'm gonna take it. Oh, please, please. This is the perfect run. This is the perfect. Not. Yes! Yes! Get off, get off, get off. Oh, finally, finally. Alright, how do I get up? Can I even get up? No, no, no! I didn't mean to. Okay, where am I going? Where am I going? I don't think I can jump onto that barrel. The water will push me down. The leeches are getting pushed down. It's sort of good. So I guess I need to get to that pole and then jump onto the barrel and then get to that three and get to the next like room. Let's try it. Go now, go now, go right now, go right now, go right now, and we're up. I gotta jump onto the barrel. Nice. He's saying I can go up there, but how do I get up there? I don't think I can. Alright, let's move. Is that an air pocket? Please, please, please. Oh, oh. Almost died. Yeah, it's up there. How do I get up there? Oh my god, how do I get up there? Oh, we're safe, we're safe, we're safe. What is this? Can I eat you? I'm not sure what you are. I know what I'm doing. I know where I'm going. I know where I'm going. Please, please, please. I beg of you. Right? No! Please! No! Why? Man, going all this way just to get food. Where's the food? And where am I going? Oh shoot, I don't... Do I want to be here? No, I don't want to be here. Where's the food? Do I... Wait, hold up. Do I want to be here? There's like no food here. Maybe there's food here? Ah! See if I can get this. Please tell me I can get this. Alright, you're here. You're not actually that big a deal. Nice. Okay. I got the food. Let's leave. Up here we go. Up here. Man, this is a lot of work just to get some food. Bop. Okay, so I think I gotta figure out a way to get to that spawn. How am I meant to get up there though? Oh shoot. Oh shoot. What the? Hey! Move out of the way, buddy. Thank you. Gosh! What was that? Why can it stick its tongue out? Wait. I spent too much time to... No! 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 Don't kill me, buddy. What's the law? I still don't understand the law of this world. I know that I got separated from my family, and so I'm looking for them. But why do I have to go through all these different worlds? Is there like a family member in each of these worlds? Have I missed two already? Because I've been to like two. Like, well, what's going on? It's doable, I know that. It's doable. Alright. No, there's one here. No. Alright, so... Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. I'm going for it, I'm going for it. Please! What? No, there's no way. There's actually no way. Like, why is that thing in there? Whatever is like the popping thing, like if you put it in there, what am I meant to do? I'm getting mad. Get off me. Stupid. Stupid. They're like bubbles in the water. If I breathe those bubbles in, do I get air? I want to try to get it. How do I get it? Nah, can't be stuff. You win, buddy. You win. Alright, thank you. My God. You are so annoying. How do I get up there? What? Hey. Jump. Okay, how do I get up there? Alright, I'm finally here. How do I get up there? Oh, do I need to go down? There are so many leeches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can't see anything. I think I actually have to go the way like this way. I need to. Oh! Whatever. Alright, you good. Oh my God, no, please no. Thank God. How do I get rid of this moth? This moth's so useless. No, I think I actually have to go here. I don't think there's like any way for me to. Is that a bubble? Oh my God. Oh my God. Please no. Thank you. Thank you so much. Middle one. Alright. Thank God. What are you? Alright, let's go. Let's go. I'm going to the side, I guess. I missed it. I missed it. No, no, no! No, 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 no. Okay, there's a thing down there. Hypothetically, I could go down there. Let's go. But why am I running out of air already? I made it. I made it. Somehow I made it to whatever this is. There are leeches everywhere. Where am I even going? Man, I really need to find a spawn. Yep. I'm gonna make it pop. Is it popping? Pop! Okay, it's not popping. For some reason. Okay, popped. What is that? Sandbox item unlocked. Leech. Why do I want that? Oh, let's go. Oh my God. Come on. Come on. Come on. Can I go through? Oh my God, I can go through. Thank God. Oh no, it's gonna be night. It's gonna be night. I gotta go. I gotta go. I gotta go. I passed out. Ah. 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 Yeah, I'm leaving the mask. The mask is so useless. How do I get there? Why do you do this to me? No, 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 no. No, no, no. No! Please! This! Maybe I'm not meant to go through the drainage system, whatever it's called. Maybe that's not the way. Okay, so the parasite led me up here for some reason. I guess I'll go here. I'm so confused. Is the water one not the place I'm meant to go to? Alright. Where does he want me to go? Why is he spinning? Oh no you don't. Oh no you don't. You can swim? I'm jumping over you. Yeah, buddy. That's what I thought. Am I dead? I think I'm dead. Right. Wait, is this where I'm meant to go? I don't know if this is where I'm meant to go. I'm gonna climb over your dumbass. I don't know where I'm going. Oh my god, there's a spawn up there. I'm dead. Oh, I don't know where to go. Ah! Oh, cycle 40. Wow. Where's the next area? That's my question. I don't know where the next area is. Wait, is that where I'm meant to go? No, hold on, hold on. I'm not going there, I'm not going there. Where's the spawn? Where's the spawn? Oh my god, it's right there. Please. No, I don't want to. We don't need fight. We don't need fight. We don't need fight. We don't need fight. Come on. Is it like up here? It is. Oh my god. Alright, I'm back here. I don't know what I'm doing. Nice. What's that? What the hell is that? Wait. What the hell? Oh, I feel sorry for that guy. Unlucky, bro. Unlucky. Oh my. Hell yeah. Okay, let's go here then. Down in the water. Like down here. Maybe not. The bug says that I should go here though. What am I meant to do? Go in here? I don't know. I don't think so. Oh no, it is. What? Okay. Sure. Sure. Okay, let's go here. Why not? Why are you blue, buddy? No. Okay, once we got there. God. I know you want me to go down there. I know you want me to. Oh no. Oh shoot. I don't know how to get there. I don't know how to get there. I managed to get here. Wait, no, I don't want to go there. Wait, no, I don't want to go there. Wait, where am I going? What the hell is going on? How do I even get there, Blue? How do I even get there? Oh my Jesus, that is gross. Okay, let's just do this part quickly, because like everything comes here. I knew it. He went in. He went in. He went in. He. Oh my god. What am I meant to do? Yeah, spear. Go. Nice. Stop. Oh my god, that's nasty, bro. What is that? Gosh, that plant is nasty. Oh, maybe I have to wait. Maybe I have to go back to the spawn, and I'll come out again for more food. Okay, let's do this. Finally moved up one. Yeah. See, I do have the chieftain. Also, maybe now I can command them. Ew! Oh my god, what? No, no, no. It wants me to go up. It wants me to go up. Nope, 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 nope. Okay, okay. Run, run, run. Holy moly, that tongue. Nope, you're not getting me, buddy. You're not getting me. Let me save. Let me save first. Does it get harder the longer I survive? Sorry, the more of these whatever levels I have. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, you can't be serious. Oh my god, you cannot be serious. Oh my god, you cannot be serious. Like, what the hell is that? Oh, there's a green pearl here though. Wait, I meant to go down there. Okay. Nah, nah, there's no way. There's three of them down there. Wait, whose bright idea was it to go down there? No, 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 hell no. I'm dead already, bro. Things like this, right? Oh, what the? No, wait, that's not what I wanted. Or maybe that is what I wanted. Hold on. Oh, good lord. There's... Okay, now it doesn't want me to go here anymore. No, 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 no. Ah! Alright, it wants me to go here. Where is the next biome? How long will it take me to get to this next biome? Anyway, I think we'll leave it at that. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.